vlogs. I'm drinking coffee because it's gonna be a long day. Cheers! Grabbing some snacks. After 3 hours and a half, I'm finally here. I finally arrived to my destination. This is the house that we're staying. It's a house typical from here. And we have a sanctuary right here on my right side. I'm going to show you. It's really big and really beautiful. I'm going to take some photos there. Oh shit, a spider. Crap. Oh, spider. Tomorrow I'm going to explore more. But yeah. And I also am going to try fly my drone. There's really a lot of birds here. I wish they don't break my drone. That would be expensive. Oh, and also I forgot my snapback, so I feel kind of naked. Snapping some photos and I will put the photos in the video so you can see the results. Yeah, let's go! So I'm using a 18 to 55 millimeters. It's the kit lens, so I'm hoping I get the most out of it. And just a quick difference between tourist photo and pro photo. I just took one that is a tourist photo, and now I'm going to take the pro and put the two side by side so you can see the difference. Yeah. I'm not really the best person at this, but my tip for you is to put your subject between something, like I did with the tree. Yeah, just kind of try to put your subject between something and the photo will look much better. So that's it for today, guys. This is the first video of this trip. I'm going to do more videos about it, and I'm going to explore tons of waterfalls and lakes and stuff like that, so stay tuned for that. Now I'm going to the mall, so yeah, thank you guys, see ya.